Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking down prerequisites. Get your OpenAI API key, confirm billing, and pick Python v3, 10 or a cloud VM. Next, scaffold a project folder and install packages, OpenAI, LangChain, and FastAPI, so you can iterate quickly. Once done, initialize a minimal script that authenticates with the API and sends a test prompt. This proves connectivity and reveals latency. Make sure to note rate limits and cost per token, because that informs model choices and budget decisions going forward. Once your basic connection works, assemble the core architecture: a parser that normalizes user input, a context manager that maintains conversational state, and a module that calls the Chatgpt API with templated prompts. Implement retrieval-augmented generation by embedding your knowledge base and using Faius or similar for semantic search. This keeps answers grounded. Make sure to add sanitization and prompt guards to avoid toxic output, and log requests and token usage so you can refine prompts and control costs. You finalize by containerizing the app with Docker and deploying to a cloud service or serverless platform, configuring auto-scaling and secrets. Then run end-to-end tests, simulate load, and validate latency and cost with realistic prompts. Once live, monitor logs, token usage, and user feedback. Iterate on prompts and system prompts to improve accuracy. If something breaks, reproduce the bug with saved transcripts, isolate the call that failed, and test alternate prompts or reduced context to pinpoint whether the issue is data, prompt design.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.